Okay. See, how much can you see in my head? That should be good. Alright, what are we doing today? Huh? Hood open on the car? What could I possibly be doing under this mess? What could I possibly be working on in this big ass mess? Well, currently my car feels smog, so we're using an OBT2 skidder and an EGR. It was bad, so we're replacing that after a couple dry cycles of an EGR we found at the junkyard or pick apart down there at work. Unfortunately, we bought a new one off of Amazon, $20. I'm gonna replace it, replace the IAC valve, and we should be good. That should be all we have to do. All that's left. The IAC should be right there, and the EGR in the distance back there. So hopefully super easy, the IAC. I've replaced the EGR before, obviously, since we had to try the other ones. So now, but that one didn't work, so this one doesn't work. So now we got to put on a new one in an IAC because we think that's bad. So hopefully, at the end of, after these two are done, I could smog my car, register it, and start driving around legally instead of illegally. Because when you drive your car around illegally with no front plate, the police don't really like that. My dad found out the hard way. I haven't yet. Alright, let's get to work. First, going to take out the airbox, then the boot, and then we should be able to access the AAC valve and then also the EGR. But it's only after we get this stuff off. I was at the swamp area, I was looking for a power tool. One of my boys, Kevin, has. Did not find it. So now with the wrench, I gotta do this over and over and over again. POV, you don't have power tools. Make sure you stay organized when you work on your stuff. And don't drop bolts into your engine bay. So it's like super bad. Oh fuck. Hold up. When you can't reach, so you gotta get the extended 3000. Extendo window 3000. There's another bolt. Alright, there's another bolt, and now this should just slip right out. Yep. Now we gotta take that off. This might be the same size. Oh yeah. Now we take off the boot so we can take the intake. Okay, now we can access the, can you guys see that? Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, IAC and then EGR, best somewhere back there. This should be pretty easy, I hope. This should be pretty easy, is what everybody says when working on something. Maybe I should watch a YouTube video how to put his IAC hole. Alright, I just watched a YouTube video. I'm just gonna wing it. I have no idea what to do, by the way, but if I wing it, it should be good enough. It's like cracking open a fresh beer. Except for I'm 18 and I can't drink, so. I don't know where to put this. Where it won't fall. I don't want to spill it everywhere. I'm like press at an angle. I don't want to put it on the battery. I'm gonna put it right there, right on the tripod. All right, looks like I'm gonna need a Phillips screwdriver and this should be the right part. Should be. Yeah, that's the right part. Alright, sick. Oh yeah, for the ring. Place that. I don't know where that goes. There's no way I'm supposed to put it out there. All these tools. Flathead will work now. I mean Phillips. Fuck. Oh, we'll have to be right back now. Alright, we're back. Got some brake cleaner. Let's go over here. Brake cleaner, Phillips screwdriver, keys that I forgot to put back in my pocket, water bottle, and then back to the IAC EGR. It'll probably be a lot faster. I've stopped eating. Alright, so just get to work. Phillips. Oh yeah, perfect. It should be 3 bolts. Yeah. There's one. My ass is sticking so far out right now. You guys gotta see this. make a lot more sense if I build a Subaru. Sticking my ass out for the entire world to see. Just like that. Oh fuck, the screw. I can't use the screw. Good. Get the screw. Alright, let's get back to it. What were we working on? Oh yeah. We were at the IAC valve. I got the IAC valve. Now, you guys can see well, right? Yeah, you can see all in that area. Alright, so it's time to get the fucking... Oh, man. Oh, there we go. Old IAC off. New IAC on. First, I need to see... Where does this rubber ring go? Alright, actually... rag and a little bit of brake cleaner. Let's get in there. Dude, brake cleaner cleans so good. It smells so good. Why does brake cleaner smell so good? Okay. Water brush. Okay. That should be good. New one. Oh wait. Okay, I see. Rubber ring should go on here. I don't know if I mentioned, but before with this old one, I don't know if it was because it stuck to EGR or something, but the idle was like 1100, 1600 late. As of late, it was like 1600. Like as of last drive cycle, 1600 idle RPM, which is kind of crazy. So, but this would be good. So now it should look somewhat similar. Yeah. Hopefully it works. It's famous last words before my engine blows up. Dude. It went on just like that. Time for the screws, and I'm gonna plug it in last. So I'm going one at a time so that way I don't like drop the IAC and then my bolts go fucking everywhere. Do this first and then the EGR. The EGR is like really easy. Get in there. Whoa, almost dropped the bolt. My legs! Fuck! Nice and snug. Fuck! Snug. Oh yeah. Oh, my legs are cramping. I jumped the screwdriver. This should go on just like so. Hey. That's on there nice and tight. Oh, and I gotta catch catch my breath. I think it's this size. Too big. I have no idea what size it is. I just go and which one fits, and I never look at the size. So this, too big. Actually, I might as well throw it back in there. Throw it back. Hey, yo. Okay, I think this one fits. Drops it. I think both of these fit because they're probably the same size. Oh, no kidding. They're both 13 millimeter. Let's try 12. I think 12 might be too small though. Dude, this is a 12 when I actually look at that. Oh, dude, such a better fit. Dude, the 10 almost fell. So I don't think I need this long. It's nice, but I'm just kind of retarded. Fuck. This is actually quite comfortable. No, you guys actually got to see this fucking low power. I hope it was recording. Yeah, we're at 7 minutes. You guys got to see this angle. It's actually optimal. How to optimally work on your car so that way you don't hurt your lower back like this. And then you put your stomach on your engine, and then you just like get in there. Oh shit. Yes. Alright, let's get back to a normal angle. Alright, you guys can see just right. Got the bolts and gasket off. EGR just slips right off. I don't know. Feels fine. Dude, that's like butter. New gasket. I hope it doesn't matter which way I put it on. Hopefully. I shouldn't have to clean this. Okay. Like that, right? Yeah. Alright, time to put the new EGR on. Bolts. Fuck! Anyways. Boom. Time to squat down. Oh, get in here. I just dropped something. Oh, fuck! Oh. Man, I dropped the fuck. I dropped the bolt in the gabagoo. I hope this is about to save my life, even though I have no clue where it went. Maybe I should look under the car first. Let's see, under. Let's go. They're both under. Oh, what a blessing and a half. I got it. Oh, what a blessing. They both fell under the car. Oh my god. Retrieve the bolt and the socket. Okay, gasket, other bolt. I don't know how I should do this. Nice. How about this? One bolt and gasket, and then I'll put on the other bolt. Or I'll hand tighten them first. That's what I'm gonna do. Is it tightening? I don't know if I'm just spinning the bolt. Oh, it's starting. Oh my god. Thank goodness. Gasket's on there. Yeah, the gasket's nice and snug on there. Whew. Oh, by my calculations, I should have this driving within 10 minutes. Ugh. Okay, now to connect the hose, make sure you don't forget the hosing. The vacuum hoses. These things are a bitch. God, fucking. Right, I should have worn some tight shorts and a thong if I knew I was gonna be sticking my ass out this much today. Okay, IAC it's connected, EGR is connected. Now time to reconnect to this. We should be good. It should be alright to reconnect to this. Get in there. Boom, boom. This. I think I'm gonna record the drive cycle. Me just driving around. Well, I kind of want to listen to some music, but. I don't even know if that's starting. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. Oh, it is. Nice. Oh, what the fuck? The box ate the bolt. I should maybe do this first. Ah! No, that's not going anywhere. I hope. I don't know if I have to do this like super tight, but I look, you may as well. Okay, and then boom, boom. That's connected. I didn't connect. Okay, blah, 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 blah. We're good. I just gotta reconnect the battery and we should be rolling. Bye-bye. Oh yeah. We should be rolling. Oh, I need 13. Bro, it don't reach. It don't reach. Okay, that's like super loose. Oh my god. Please tell me this fits. Oh my god, it does. It's a biggie. Oh yeah, we're working right here. There we go, nice and tight. Throw this inside, gather up all the tools. And we should be ready for dry cycle. Battery connected. I didn't disconnect anything else. Dude! Alright, see you guys in a minute. Actually, I'm just gonna put you guys inside. I just realized my phone is at 10%. Anyways, IAC, EGR installed. Car is started just fine because I'm like that. I ran inside about 10 times. So that means I ran back outside 10 times. I was gonna go to the gym, do my cardio, but I think I already did my cardio. But because I'm locked in, I'm gonna do more cardio because that never hurts. And I'm also gonna eat a couple of these and drink this on the way to the gym. Also, I think I'm gonna get my car a car wash because I can. And it's dirty. No, I dropped a quarter. No. Letting it idle for a couple minutes. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to grab the OBD2, so that way we can do the readings, the stuffs. Yeah, okay. Give it some gas. Oh, look at that! It dropped right close to 1,000. When I revved it before, I rev it, it'd stay at like 1,200 or so. Oh fuck, no, god, oh my god. Oh, since I disconnected the battery, the code's got erased, so the ECU, this is why I have to do a drive cycle. I don't know if I'm gonna record the drive cycle, my phone's almost dead. I'm gonna show you guys what I have to do, and then I'm gonna go do the drive cycle, wash my car. I'll probably check back in while I'm in the gym. I do have napkins. Just wait for this damn thing to load. Okay, so yeah, so obviously there's gonna be no codes. Before we had PO401, PO171, so hopefully those don't pop back up and they're clear. And we could smog it. Okay, so let's see, live data. I'll check that in a second. But let's check IM readiness. So we need this to be green, all these to also be green, in case you guys didn't know. We also need the DTC, diagnostic trouble codes, to be 0, and pending diagnostic trouble codes to be 0. That is ideally what we want. Oh fuck, wrong button. Live data. Let's see. RPM's still a little high. I think I need to tune it or something. Okay. All that looks good. 1400. Are you fucking kidding me? Bruh. MAF, mass airflow sensor. Throttle position 0.8. Weird. Hopefully after the drive cycle, ask ChatGPT and we should be good. Let's do IM readiness, and then I'll check back with you guys after the drive cycle.